YouTube is getting rid of the shorts fund, and instead is going to be making shorts creators be eligible to become a part of the YouTube partnership program. Now, if you don't remember exactly what the shorts fund is, it was basically a way for YouTube to give shorts creators some type of money without being a part of the actual program. And these people can make up to anywhere between $100 to $10,000 every month. That's a lot of money, and they are going to be letting you be a part of the partnership program for ad revenue sharing instead. So for some people, that might be a good idea. For some people, they probably would rather it stay the way it is. But regardless, it's going to happen. It's going to be in effect February 1st. And they're taking January to, get people to sign the new terms and conditions. For people that are already, part of the program, you'll have to go ahead and agree to these terms. If not, then they will end up kicking you out of the partnership program. It really doesn't do anything as far as changing too much for people that are a part of the program already. They're just, changing up some terms and conditions. The big thing is the actual requirement. What is required for these shorts content creators to be a part of the YouTube program? So the first thing is you're still going to have 1,000 subscribers, but instead of having 4,000 hours of watch time, you have the option to go for 10 million views from shorts within 90 days. And I think that's a lot. I think that's like a whole lot, not just kind of a lot, but I don't do shorts like that. So I honestly don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think of this. Is 10 million views in 90 days too much for shorts? Or is it okay? You think it's a good idea to keep it at 10 million in 90 days? Y'all let me know in the comment section. Any rate, like I said, if you are part of the partnership program and you haven't agreed to these new terms yet, make sure you do, because they will be kicking you out of the program once again. So go ahead and do that. They wanted it done by January 10th, but obviously, I did it on the 13th, and I would assume they'll give people a little bit longer to go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions. So yeah, at any rate, that's it for the update. Let me know what you think of the update. Let me know what you think about the shorts requirement. Yeah, 10 million views, too much, too little? Within 90 days, that's the biggest thing. 10 million within 90 days, man. Dang. But at any rate, that's it. So thanks for watching.